Spa Resort, everyone. Welcome. Looks better than in the actual videos, I can tell you that. Let's go check in, get all of that annoying stuff sorted out. I'll see you to actually show you around the hotel. Okay.
We're finally here, aren't we?
Yeah.
How old are you?
14.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have to wear it every day?
Thank you very much.
Is it for every day?
Here any other family members' names or names? Address, telephone, etc.
Okay, so I got this little band. I'm guessing that means something. Just to say we're at the hotel. Yeah. Very excited for this. Oh, it's been way too long travelling on the plane. My legs are knackered. Let's get into this hotel room, chill out for a bit, shall we?
1291, your room number on the middle second floor going to. Safe minibar free in your room, okay? Here we have QR.
What's that, sorry? That's
Second floor.
second floor.
Floor
Okay.
your room, yeah. Here we have QR. In the room you also have QR. You can scan application, writing all the timings when bars, restaurants open, close, all information is there.
Okay.
Minus second floor, activity floor, where you can enjoy hammam, sauna, spa, fitness pools, all -2, okay?
Okay.
You can go directly to your room. My colleague bring your luggage.
Okay.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Another?
Okay.
Here we are then.
Yeah.
Finally.
Mukarnas Spa Resort. We're going to be at floor number 2. Let's get the lift on for these guys so they're faffing about. Come on in, Dylan. No need to run like that, we're sure.
Now we just wait.
These my dance make it hurt.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you.
Let's get through a little hotel, a little room review. So. She's the one who's going to find it interesting.
I may live here, and then I can burn. That might be thumbnail. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Brilliant. Thank you. Oh, I just Steve. Thank you.
That's
Especially for you.
beautiful. Are you kidding me, Dad?
Sorry.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
We'll see you again in a minute.
Right, let me try yours. 'Cause I'm-
Hold on, no, it'll take a second, don't worry. Anyway, this is the first taste test of this.
I've already tasted it.
Hold on. I'm just gonna give it a taste test. Yeah, it tastes nice. I'm not so sure. I think I'm going to steer clear of meat. Okay, steering clear of meats today because I'm not sure what any of it is. Let's have a look at the salads and stuff first. Not really.
You can ask him if it's doing that.
My dessert to finish off the day. After a long day travelling, gonna chill out with a hot chocolate. So 2 pieces of baklava, looks like maybe some kind of cheesecake, and some fried donut type thing. Yeah, end the video off here. Bye bye.